Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Toyota Tundra Hybrid Limited. This vehicle has a turbocharged 3.4 liter V6 with the 10-speed automatic transmission, and it has an electric motor as well because it's the hybrid. It's the iForce Max hybrid, so it has 437 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, which is pretty insane. Nice interior. You have a pretty big screen. I've always liked the screen in these newer Tundras and Sequoias. You have a digital gauge cluster, 360-degree camera system as well, with dynamic guidelines. You can also change your drive mode to Sport, Normal, and Eco. A lot of space in here. You have a panoramic sunroof. You also have wireless charging trays. You can see my phone in there right now. It's pretty cool, and this is like the bolder interior. So this one's finished in white. It has this little visor on the front. You also have the blue badge with the hybrid Tundras. I like the daytime running lights. This one has like the longer bed too. Lots of legroom back here as well. Pretty cool. Pretty good looking truck. I like it. It says limited on the side. Let's get this Tundra out on the road and see what it's like to drive. You have ventilated seats and heated seats, and you also have a heated steering wheel on the side, which you can activate, on the side. Right there. The start-stop button is blue for the hybrid. Oh, that's cool. On the camera over there, I didn't know that. It'll like show like your surroundings when you're stopped. That's actually really interesting. I guess it'll sense like if you're on like entering a road or something. That's actually kind of nice. Goodness, this thing pulls. And the thing, I made a video on the Sequoia TRD Pro, which sounded real similar to this. It doesn't sound like a V6, it sounds like a V8. It has like the rumble of a V8 and sounds like a V8, which is crazy. If you told me this is a hybrid V8, I'd probably believe you. The steering wheel feels nice, it's like thick. It's a nice truck. If you also do this, it'll put in the sport mode. I wish like when you put it in the sport mode with this dial or like the eco mode or whatever, it would change the color of the cluster. It is weird how it's a digital gauge cluster and it doesn't really change much. God, look at that pickup. Wow. Yeah, this and this engine sounds really, really good. I love it. It's a pretty massive truck though. Take a quick U-turn right here. Yeah, this thing definitely pulls. Yeah, like most, like you wouldn't sort. I mean, it's a hybrid truck. I mean, you wouldn't expect like a ton. Just because it's like a hybrid, a lot of people don't know that these like have this kind of power, you know. They're like, oh, it's a hybrid, it's probably not even fast. It's crazy. But yeah, I mean, even though Toyota took away the V8 for the Tundra and made it a V6, the hybrid powertrain definitely makes up for that. And I think I wonder if the TRD Pros have like some kind of mild hybrid system in it or something, because the engine sounds exactly the same. God, it sounds so good. Yeah, these new Tundras, Sequoias, and Tacomas all look really good. I like the Tacoma TRD off-road a lot because it's offered with a manual transmission. If only those came with the V6. I think those only have 4 cylinders, which sucks. But if they had a V6, if they had this engine in it, a Tacoma TRD or something, TRD with this V6 and a manual transmission, that would be so awesome. I think that would have just been too expensive. Sounds, I just love the sound. It's nice. I just can't get over how much it sounds like a V8. It just surprises me a lot, you know. It's quite interesting. Go pull into a parking spot real quick. Just explore more of the interior a bit. Yeah, that's cool. As soon as you come up to like a parking spot, it just turns on the camera. That's awesome. And even when I'm drive, it just recognizes me in a parking spot and it'll do that. That's awesome. I love how big the shifter is. It's pretty cool. You have navigation, music. You also have Apple CarPlay. Pretty sure it has Android Auto as well. But it's just a nice interior overall. Looks good. Everything feels good in here. It's a good truck. I like this Toyota Tundra. And has a JBL sound system. But overall, cool truck. Thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own truck.